Okay guys, this is Lynn's kitchen coming to you on this nice Saturday. It's kind of cloudy out here, but today we're coming to you. This is another one of my vlogs that I'm doing, and we're in our neighborhood, and I'm next door at my friend's house, my neighbor's house. His name is Warren. He is the smoking cowboy. I'm sorry, you guys. You know, and we did Warren once before, like for another previous festival that he was doing at a car show. And so today we are here with him. He's being sponsored through Ridge Farms, and we're doing like a little small tailgate here in the neighborhood today. So we're gonna ask, and this is another way for neighbors to get together too. So he's got his pit and everything set up. He's heating up everything, and it's smelling so good. And today we're gonna have gumbo. So I can't wait, guys. And again, if you are tuning in, this is Lynn's kitchen. This is another extension of my YouTube video. So today we're just vlogging this little event, you know, supporting the neighborhood, supporting Warren, and in his cooking ability. So if you are new to this channel, we welcome you today. My ride or diers, you know, you family, you know I love you. I thank you for your support. But my new people who are viewing this today, I ask that you would hit that like button, be a part of the family, and come on and subscribe. We also would like for your comments. We welcome your comments all the time. And so as we get started, we want you to also remember to hit that bell so that you can be notified on my upcoming videos when I do them, or anything that I'm doing, whether it's vlogging or whatever. So you're gonna come along with us today and enjoy this day. We're getting this set up. We have a little place for people to sit down and eat a little bit. Like again, we don't know how many people are coming, but we have invited. Here's some of our neighbors are coming up, getting ready for the festivities.
Oh, we're gonna see just pictures, right?
Here's Warren. This is his setup again. He built this on his own, and this is his setup. And he takes this all over. He's in all type of competitions and everything, and does a great thing when it comes to the brisket. I didn't like brisket at first, but since I've been down here and I've tasted his, the way he does it, I'm starting to like it. Okay, say hello, Warren. This is Warren. This is the cooking cowboy right here. Okay. And look at his setup. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Can you see the heat? I don't know if you can see the heat streaming from this cooker. Say hi to the camera, people. Say hi. Say hi. She's not interested. She's like, not today. Not today. I hear her. But yes, I've tasted the gumbo, and it is superb. He not only does the brisket, but he does rib, and he does pork shoulder, and now he's into this gumbo. And you know what? This time of year is the best time to make gumbo because it's cold, and it's a hearty meal also. And so yeah, you'll be seeing gumbo on Lynn's kitchen also. Okay, so right now we're going to interview Crystal. This is Warren's wife, and she's going to tell us a little bit about what's going on with Warren and this tailgate.
Well, Warren is famous for cooking brisket, of course, but we decided to branch out today, and we're doing a little tailgate party for the neighborhood to meet and greet the neighbors. So we put together, or he put together, I did not, he put together some good old gumbo. Warren is actually from Lake Charles, so he loves him some Cajun food. So he decided to do gumbo today. It's chicken and sausage, and it's going to be poured over rice. Our sweet neighbor cooked some muffins to go with it. So we're just going to eat and meet and greet the neighbors in our community today and have a big time.
Yes. So I thank you. So, and how long has Warren been doing this all together?
Oh goodness, I think he's been cooking for 20 plus years. He's been doing barbecue for a long time. He started out with a different pit and graduated to a bigger pit. He travels. He does all the way from Dallas, Texas to Monroe, Louisiana, and been doing it for a while.
Okay. As you can see one over there, he's getting ready there. He's in his element right now.
He's in his element.
And I'm just, every time I see this pit, I'm just absorbed at it because I'm like, you know, he built this. This is something that he did. He built this. And you have to really love doing what he does to be able to do this. And I love the setup that he has. He's always in order and organized. And yep, look at that sausage up over there, y'all. Look at that. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Goody, goody, goody. Goody, goody, goody. Look at that.
You want to just put it over here
Yeah.
to serve it?
So it's going to be a neighborhood thing. We got the kids out here playing and everything. And it is a little drippy. We don't know how many is going to be out here, but whoever comes, they're welcome. And we're just waiting for them, and our arms are open. And yeah, we're trying to do these things. It's sometimes really nice to be able to meet your neighbors and greet your neighbors because we don't do enough of that. Now we're going to, this is Warren, everybody. Warren, tell us a little bit about what's going on with you and how this came about.
Today we're having a tailgate. I heard on ESPN College Game Day, Eckrich Sausage was holding a competition, and I was like, let's do it. And so I pulled it together over the last week or so. It was a quick turnaround here. So hopefully Eckrich will see our footage and our pictures and like it enough to crown us king of the tailgaters.
I hear you. Now when they tailgate, I mean, what is it? Because I don't know what a tailgate is. I'm not a sports fan, but I know I've heard about tailgates.
Well, in all the major college venues, the day of the game, people gather. I mean, they gather 2 or 3 days, sometimes a week before the game.
Wow.
And they cook, and it's just a big fellowship. Everybody come together, and it's just buckets of fun.
Oh wow. Okay, and so you just bring your own food and meet
own
people
food,
and
you meet all kinds of people.
Oh my goodness.
You'll tailgate next to each other. I go to Death Valley to tailgate quite a bit, Baton Rouge, and there's no other place like it.
Okay. Well, because we've never been. I would really. Maybe one day we could get that experience. I know I've seen it on television, but I've seen like when it's cold outside and they're still tailgating. But so when they tailgate, do they just stay outside for the game?
They're outside for the game. They put tents up, and some people have TVs under their tents.
Oh my goodness.
And some people don't even go into the stadium. Some people just go for the tailgating.
So it's more like a party, isn't it? More like
a big party,
a community party.
That's right. Everybody comes together. It doesn't matter, you know, if it's everybody's together rooting for their team.
All right then, because I just never understood it. But okay then, but I like to eat. Now that's probably one of the things I would probably go and do. I would eat.
You would eat.
I would eat because that's I'm a foodie.
We'll have to follow College Game Day. Hopefully next year I'm going to follow College Game Day, dragging the pit, and getting known like that, introducing people to Texas barbecue and enjoying the venues around the country.
Man, yeah. So this is what Warren does, and he does it with excitement and thrill, and I love it. This is new for me down here, but to be able to just be in the neighborhood and knowing that, you know, you do the barbecue and all of that, because I just thought you did the brisket. Now you're into the gumbo. So I'm just trying to figure out, there's some more special hidden secrets about you in this venture.
I've got all kinds of secrets up my sleeve.
All right.
I was raised in South Louisiana, so I like to cook.
Yes, you do. I mean, y'all can tell he like to cook. Look at this. I mean, come on. And this thing, when it starts to going, guys, it goes. I'm telling you, sometimes he be out here, I can smell it in the house. So, okay, thank you, Warren. We'll get back with you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right.
Come see us.
Okay, so how is it, guys?
Perfect.
It's perfect?
Yeah.
How do you like it? Okay, see, if the kids say yeah, you know it's good. Warren, you got a thumbs up out here.
Really?
Thumbs up. Woo, look. Look, I can call it.
So, Lynn, you ready for some?
Yes, I am. Now I'm gonna get my bowl too. Yes. Yes. And my cornbread. Lynn's getting ready to eat hers too. You see that? I'm getting ready to eat mine too. So I'm gonna sign off. Okay, guys, we are back and we are having a ball here. This is Lynn's Kitchen. If you're tuning in, we're next door. And we are having gumbo and cornbread. Here are our neighbors. Kind of cold, so they're all in the garage, but we are having a good time. The food is excellent.
There's a lot of beach. Have you checked it out?
It's excellent. Kids are out playing football. And this is just coming together as a community in the neighborhood and enjoying each other for a little bit.
Right.
So yes. And this is a community effort. Again, this is Warren and Crystal, that's his wife. They're back there cooking it up, you guys. Again, if you are viewing this, this is part of Lynn's Kitchen. I'm vlogging today with my neighbor. And he is making gumbo. He does brisket and you name it. And this is his fire pit. This is a smoker that he made on his own. I mean, he started out with one smoker and then he just collaborated and just took it to another level, and I love it. And he goes out of town on different occasions, doing different types of venues and festivals. He goes all over, but this is nice. And you see the fire. This is where I'm at, Lynn. And if you are tuning in, this is Lynn's Kitchen, and my channel is mostly homemade foods of my younger childhood that my mom prepped and did for us, and I do other cooking, my cooking, and I like new recipes, trying new things. So if you tuned in, thank you for being here with us. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe, hit the like button, and we would love your comments. And please don't forget to hit that blue notification bell so that you can be notified on upcoming videos and ventures that I'm exploring. I'm going to try to stretch my YouTube out a little bit more than a little bit more in my YouTube, but it's still going to be an extension of Lynn's Kitchen. I still have more cooking and stuff like that coming your way. I hope that everybody had a good festivity of Thanksgiving, and everything was fine for everyone. Now we're getting ready for the Christmas season, and I'm just excited. So thank you for joining us here on Lynn's Kitchen. Again, we are here at Smoking Cowboys home, where he is doing gumbo, chicken gumbo, and sausage. The sausage is represented through Eckridge Farm. So we're going to take a full picture of the neighborhood. It got a little bit bigger.
Yeah, we're going to do the whole trailer, right?
Okay, gang, this is Lynn's Kitchen. I want to thank you all for tuning in for our little festivity today. We appreciate you so much. Continue to send your comments in. Continue to share these videos with everybody. And again, we'll see you back again on Lynn's Kitchen. Tune in to us. We'll see you later, okay? God bless. Bye.